Hi everyone, welcome back again. Today let's prepare everyone's favorite super special mutton biryani. This is a dum biryani. So without further delay, let's get started. Check out the ingredients. Here I have taken 1 kg of meat. Try to use tender meat so you will get a delicious mutton biryani. First, let's marinate this mutton. Add in 1 tablespoon of chilli powder, 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now goes in 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, enough salt into it, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Now goes in 3 medium tomato, finely chopped tomato, 4 finely chopped green chilli, now half a bunch of coriander leaves, that also you need to chop very well, and mint leaves too, half a bunch. Now goes in 2 teaspoon of biryani masala. Now let's add 1 cup of beaten yogurt. You have to beat very well before adding to this mix. Now let's mix this very well with our hand. Give it a good mix. Now one tip I would like to say is, if you are planning to prepare biryani, try to marinate the mutton at night, whatever the chicken or mutton. So the masala will coat very well and you will get a delicious biryani. Now let's add the fried onions. Here I am using 4 medium size onions. Now here I am using half of the fried onions. Rest we will add for garnishing. I have shown you in my previous recipe that how to fry the onions and nuts. Please go and check the other biryani recipes too, that how to fry them nice and golden. Now let's add this and give it a good mix. Now this is well mixed. Let's keep this in the refrigerator for about 1 to 2 hours or more the better. Now let's soak the rice. Here I am taking 1 kg of basmati rice. Always try to soak this rice before preparing the biryani, at least half an hour. Now in a big pan, add 4 tablespoons of ghee. Here I am using the same ghee which I use for frying onion. Once the oil is heated, let's add in the whole spices, cinnamon sticks, cloves and black pepper. Now saute it well. Now goes in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute it well till the raw flavor goes. Now let's add this marinated mutton into this. Mix it well. Now close the lid. Let's cook this for 20 to 25 minutes or till the mutton is cooked. Don't forget to stir in between. It's getting ready. Let's prepare rice. Take water in a vessel and add whole spices, bay leaves, cinnamon sticks, green cardamoms, cloves. Add in half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of ghee. Now bring this water to boil. Add enough salt into it. Let it boil. Now add the soaked rice to it. Now cook this rice till 3/4 or 75% done. Like 10 to 12 minutes it will take. Meanwhile, let's make other thing ready. Here I am taking a pinch of red food color, adding 1 teaspoon of rose water. You can also make this by using milk. Now the rice is ready. Drain the excess water by using colander or strainer. Now the mutton is cooked very well. Let's keep the rice for dum. Add the coriander leaves and mint leaves on the top of this masala. Now layer it with half the quantity of the partially cooked rice. Now sprinkle the food color, add the fried onions, half of the fried onions, and coriander leaves and mint leaves. Now again add the rice. Now rest of the food color, fried onions, coriander leaves and mint leaves. On the top add half a glass of boiled water. This is the boiled rice water. Use the same water, half a glass. Now drizzle 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now I am going to cook this in a dum by using foil paper and a towel. This helps to keep the steam inside the container so that everything is evenly cooked. Now cover it and cook it for 20 minutes on a very low flame. Now it's been 20 minutes. Let's check out the biryani, if it's cooked or not. Wow, it's perfectly cooked. We'll show you. Check the rice, how well it is cooked. So our delicious mutton biryani is ready to serve. Trust me, sure you will enjoy cooking this dish and feeding it to everybody. So do try this at your home and give me your feedback. If you enjoyed this video, then it's time to like, share and subscribe for more interesting video. See you soon with more such videos. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.